I've never been a materialistic guy, but this right here shows a lot of love, a lot of respect. I want to say thank you to Mr. Ford. I want to say thank you to the Ford family. I want to say thank you to Mr. Hennessey and his team. I get a beautiful car, I got two beautiful kids that brought it home, and I got a cancer-free wife that's with me for a long time. You guys created a family heirloom. I can't say thank you enough, and I appreciate it. Thank you. She's home. Thank you.
All right, so I've got Jay and Jenny here, who are like the masterminds behind acquiring their mom and dad's favorite '93 Mustang. You guys are probably having more fun than your folks, huh?
We really are.
I mean, it's always that when you get a gift for somebody you love, just thinking about how they're going to react when you give it to them.
Awesome.
So,
Yeah,
we
we're
love
super
you guys,
excited.
proud of you
Thank
all.
you guys.
Thanks for entrusting us with your
Always.
baby, and to be continued.
Thank you.